Hello dear students, this is your today's classwork. In this classwork you have to write T for the true statement and F for the wrong statement, okay? This is F and this is T. Number first is we keep money safe in a hospital. Do you keep your money safe in a hospital? If it is right, then you will write T here, and if this statement is wrong, then you will write F. F for false and T for true. Okay. Number second is we sit in a classroom to study. We sit in a classroom to study. Do you sit in a classroom to study? If yes, then write T. If no, then write F. Okay. The number third is we buy things of daily needs from bank. From where do you buy things of daily needs? From bank or market? If it is true, then write T. If it is false, then write F. Police keep our neighborhood safe. Is it true? If it is true, then write T. And if it is false, then write F. Now I am telling Hindi of these statements. We keep money safe in a hospital. हम अपने धन को मनी को सेफ रखते हैं हॉस्पिटल में. Do you keep? If yes, then T. If no, then F. We sit in a classroom to study. हम क्लासरूम में पढ़ाई करने के लिए बैठते हैं. Yes or no? Yes. So this is true statement. We buy things of daily needs from bank. Is it true? No, this is not true. हम अपनी डेली नीड की जो थिंग्स होती हैं वो कहाँ से लेते हैं? मार्केट से. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ फॉल्स. पुलिस कीप आवर नेबरहुड सेफ. यस, इट इज़ ट्रू. पुलिस हमारा जो नेबरहुड होता है उसको क्या रखती है? सुरक्षित रखती है, सेफ रखती है. ओके, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू and this is false. We keep our money safe in a bank, not a hospital. Understood?